to ravepubs.com/InfoComm for all your InfoComm news.
Hi, this is Gary Kay. We are obviously in the Shure booth here at InfoComm 2026. I'm here with Herr, who is the global marketing director for Shure. Congratulations on a busy booth. This is going to be a tough booth tour to do because you are literally packed. I've always sort of like dreamed of being able to do your booth tour before you open.
Yes.
But I know that it's impossible to do because everyone has to sleep.
Yes, exactly.
But
it would be probably a lot quicker too, a lot more efficient, right?
But this will be fun. I mean, the idea behind these booth tours is to give people an idea what it's like to be here on the show floor. We've obviously gone around and shot individual product videos at each one of these product stations. So as we talk about these products, if you want to learn more about them, we've shot deep dive videos on each one of these. You go to ravepubs.com/InfoComm, just type in Shure in the video search window. You're a big, platinum sponsor of the entire show.
Yeah, headline sponsor. Yeah.
Yeah,
exactly.
I was going to say, how are you feeling about the show, and what do you think?
It's been great. Energy's been awesome, off of the charts. It's always lovely to be back in the 100+ degree weather of Vegas.
It's nice to be inside.
I will give it that. But yeah, no, it's been awesome. A lot of new products that we're super excited about showing this year.
Well, let's talk about that. Lead me on a tour and tell me what
for sure. So let's start over here, and kind of what you wouldn't think of normally as InfoComm is kind of our broadcast area, where we're showing our ANX4 scalable wireless receiver, and kind of our broadcast solutions for a number of applications for high tier events, etc. So we're showing the ANX4, we're showing our ADPSM wireless. ADPSM system, but yeah, just kind of obviously simulating somewhat of a broadcast environment to just kind of give people an idea of what's available from our pro side of the business.
All right, and obviously they've got a little dedicated section of the booth.
Yeah, it's kind of our dedicated section is broadcast production. Then we kind of steer over here to our wireless land, which we're showing our SLXD wireless, which we launched back earlier this year, actually at ISE. It's a half rack system. That's kind of a 4-channel system right there, kind of all racked up as you're seeing. But again, it comes in a lot of different form factors, from handheld to body pack, built for a variety of applications. Kind of a mid-tier solution from our wireless setup. Fully rechargeable. Obviously, all coordinatable with our wireless workbench software. So so that's kind of our SLXD system. And then on the flip side, we're doing a little bit of a deeper dive here. Sorry, I'm getting kind of away from the. We're showing our Axient Digital PSM as well as the ANX4, where people can get a little bit more hands-on with that system.
We're in the middle of them getting an actual hands-on demo over there of the. Which system is this over here?
That's the ANX4.
ANX4.
Okay. So that's a scalable wireless receiver that works on either Axient Digital platform or ULXD.
Okay, yes.
And it's all, you license it via Shure Cloud to get the licenses that you need for your application. But what's awesome is you get a high channel count in one rack space. So it's super space efficient and extremely spectral efficient as well.
Okay, excellent.
So now we'll kind of steer over here, kind of into the bowels of the booth here. If you look up here, we've got our DCA-901 broadcast array, which again is kind of a derivative of our Microflex Advanced series, which we use for conferencing, right? But we've kind of introduced a DCA model that is used for applications like sports and events. That array technology comes in handy for capturing audio in a wide variety of spaces, from baseball stadiums to soccer stadiums. They're actually being used on the World Cup right now.
Okay.
So it's really awesome to see, and you can see.
And it can be mounted anywhere. Basically.
Kind of be mounted anywhere. You steer it and control it with the software, and the sound quality is incredible. And it really kind of it disappears into the space, so you don't even know it's there.
And then here's a kind of a different version of a microphone
exactly.
array.
Here's another array microphone, but in our conferencing line. So what you're looking at there is this is our Intellimix room kits. And one of these, this is a system that we launched about 1.5 years ago. We launched it for Teams originally, and now we have a Zoom compatible version.
Okay.
And again, touchscreen compute, MXA-925 ceiling array with loudspeaker. and the Hudley camera.
Let's move in there. Let's get in there. See the touchscreen behind the laptop right there? Kind of move in there and see if you can see it. Zoom here. There you go.
Yeah, there's the touch panel right there.
Yep. And then your compute device is right there. Right there.
So now we've got two platforms that we speak to, whether or not it's Teams or Zoom. Our Intellimix DSP software is built into the compute, and it's really meant to be like a plug-and-play type of solution using our top-tier components.
Perfect. All right, and then
we'll steer over here to.
Sorry, it's making this difficult. I feel bad.
We're making yeah. Just kind of elbow your way through. It's okay. Right. We're kind of showing a boardroom environment here with our new MXA-925.
I'll let her walk in.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. That's our
MXA-925 is in the ceiling. That's your new micro.
That's the new flag, the flagship array. Yep, exactly.
And what's different about that?
We've basically it's a next-gen processing platform.
Okay.
And what it has mainly is the AI-enabled platform with AI acoustic echo cancellation, AI deverb, and AI denoiser. So those AI-enabled features, we pre-train the microphone and the algorithms back at the Shure labs. Thousands of scenarios are then stored on the microphone. The microphone can kind of assess the room.
Automated.
Yeah, exactly. Assess the room. Equate that situation that it's been dealt with one of those built-in scenarios, and it takes care of all the audio issues that you might see in a really complex space. So we're also sharing the foundation system here too, which is that touch panel that basically allows you to kind of scale. It's the hub of what the room kits are about, but the foundation system allows an integrator to basically use any version of our microphone and loudspeakers as any combination to tackle a variety of rooms.
All right, where are we going next?
So back up here, we'll kind of steer around here to, on the other side opposite this boardroom, we're showing our Intellimix Bar Pro.
Yep. That's the
which is our all-in-one bar that we launched earlier this year, actually, in February at ISE. Super exciting. Totally innovative microphone and loudspeaker system. Sounds incredible. And a very unique camera system with 4 cameras, 2 in the center, and then 2 very interesting one on each side at the end of the array, end of the bar for those cross-table shots, right? Really kind of makes an immersive experience for the far end when you're seeing those many cameras kind of operate simultaneously. It's incredible.
And you're delivering that now, right?
Yeah.
And you just launched it at ISE.
It's certified for medium and large Teams rooms. So, so we're kind of showing that. And then over here, we're just going to elbow our way through here. Excuse me, I'm sorry about that.
This is the Next 2 wireless?
Yeah, our whole Next series, it's the MXW Next series, which comes in 2, 4, and 8 channel combinations. And we're also showing a new feature that we just launched with the MXW Next, which includes, we're calling it Fusion Mode, which basically fuses the MXW system with our arrays without any need for additional DSP. It basically seamlessly connects it.
So it'll determine which mic to use at any given moment.
Correct.
Oh, very interesting. So does this allow you to do much larger rooms then?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Yeah, expanding the capability of what this can cover for think of, we're kind of showing a classroom environment.
Yeah, I was going to say, for a lecture hall, this would work better.
That's exactly what this is about, in terms of professor or someone at the front of the class kind of doing their thing. With a body pack or a handheld, and then this is an audience capture, or lecture capture from the students, for instance, who can then respond. Yeah,
very interesting. So, I did not know you had this. I saw the announcement. I wasn't sure the differentiation.
It was a firmware update and no cost adder or anything like that. It's just a firmware update that enhances the capabilities of the MXW Next system.
That's going to be popular in higher education.
I think so. We're excited about it. We're excited about it.
Where are we heading?
We'll kind of go over here to our various product modules, which is especially crowded. We're doing demos of the Bar Pro in that space over there, so come by and check it out. It's closed right now, but we're showing the Intellimix Bar Pro kind of in all its glory.
That's why everybody's standing around waiting to get in.
Everyone's kind of waiting here. We'll go ahead and show, here's some more hands-on or a little bit closer of an experience with the Bar Pro. Comes in black and white. Those are those cameras I was talking about.
4 cameras here, 2 on the side, 2 in the center, and it it gives you any kind of view. And
it has. We're calling it like Intellimix View is what we're calling it, and it really kind of makes you. I said it before, kind of an immersive experience when it comes to a video. Shure's not necessarily. We're not known especially for video, right? But we've patent pending. We've got a patent pending. Authorization on this one for the video as well, and it's awesome. It's really, really wowing a lot of people with its performance on both the audio and the video side.
I'm gonna borrow this for a second so everybody get a better look at it.
Yeah, so you can get the view of the back here. Yeah, I want to pivot it around. There's a lot of expansion opportunities and a lot of connectivity. It's basically like a full PoE switch right here with network connections, abundant network connections for all kinds of use cases.
And then obviously here you have HDMI.
Yep, up to support for up to 3 displays, which is pretty crazy.
Yeah, most can only do 2.
Most can only do 2, exactly. So we're really excited about the Intellimix Bar Pro. And then we'll kind of steer around here.
You're doing great.
Yeah, it's a lot. Good job. It's hard to keep up.
Yeah.
Scary. Maybe we'll kind of steer out into the aisle so we can just kind of get a better view.
Zoom out as we go around here and show them the crowd that's here. Just to kind of give you an idea what it's like to be at this booth in the show.
So these are kind of our more hands-on modules where you can kind of get a little bit more up close with the product. Again, we're showing that Intellimix
925.
Room kit. Yeah, the Room Kit series right here with the touch panel and the MXA-902.
Yeah, we can actually see the touch panel better here.
Yeah, exactly. So a little bit more hands-on.
This is a 902.
That's a 902. That's the integrated microphone and loudspeaker array.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is the Zoom version of our Room Kit.
Yep. So visually, to see the difference between the 925 and 902 would be the LED?
Actually, the loudspeaker on the back of it. From the front, you wouldn't even really be able to tell.
Because I didn't see the LED on in the other room, but it has the same form factor.
It's the same form factor. The 902 only comes in square.
Yeah.
The 925 does come in a round version as well.
Okay.
So.
Good.
And then here we're showing the MXW Next 2, which is a system that you're familiar with, along with our foundation system. Over here are the loudspeakers that we launched about, like a year and a half ago?
Year and a half
ago?
Yeah.
We have networked, powered loudspeakers as well as passives.
Yeah, and you have 2 different size pendant. You have a large pendant on the end down there.
Yep.
And then you have a small pendant over here.
The MXP6 and the MXP1, exactly.
Yeah.
And then we'll come around here and wrap up with a feature on our, this is our Microflex Advanced series, which is our array microphone. The MXA-925 is the new one right there, the large round one on the ceiling.
Yes, a round one, yeah.
The 902 is in the center. And then over to the right here, we have the MXA-901, which is our smaller ceiling array, about 13 inches in diameter. And then we also have our new table array that we launched in February, the MXA-320. And we're celebrating here in 2026 10 years of MXA. We launched it back in 2016.
Wow, and, I didn't realize it had been 10 years.
Yeah, 10 years, it's crazy. So we've got we've kind of been doing some of these little promo stickers, and we did a wall display here that kind of shows the history of the line, which is kind of cool. I was here back in 2016, so I remember those launches well. We worked on that array technology for a long time, and we actually worked on a really cool mini documentary that's on our website that you can check out, talking about having some of the thought leaders, our CTO, and a couple of the engineers as well as our product manager talking about what MXA technology means and what it's done for the industry.
Yeah, I mean it was a bar that everyone followed.
Yeah.
I mean you set the bar and everyone followed it.
Yep. Yeah. So we're proud of that, and obviously that it's a platform that'll continue to innovate for the next 10 years.
Yeah, and if you want to, like I said, we did deep dive videos on each one of these product stations here. If you want to watch any of those, it's easy to do. Just go to rAVepubs.com/InfoComm, type in Shure in the video search window. And remember, you can go to Shure.com to see that little mini documentary on the Microflex, the first 10 years. Be interesting to see what happens over the next 10 years with that product.
Indeed.
Of all the products that you have here, Peter, which one's the most exciting to you?
I think the AI-enabled features on the 925 are really kind of setting the stage for a real new line of innovation for our Microflex Advanced series.
And the 925 is brand new.
Yeah.
To learn more about that, go to Shure.com. See all our InfoComm coverage, go to rAVepubs.com. Thanks, Peter. I really appreciate you doing this.
Cheers, Gary.
Thank you very much, and have a great rest of the show.
You too.